Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get you guys a little bit of a label action. Focus. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Low SE Racer Blue and multi-color. Not a bad shoe, I've been wearing it a lot. Get it up there, get this light out for a second. So one of the low Jordans. I'm trying to get my wares out before the winter time rolls through totally. We're going to start to see that there's not really a difference between the low, mediums, and highs, but I'm just not a low shoe fan. You guys a little bit of top action. It's a bad shoe in my opinion. If you're a Jordan 1er, you might as well get a pair of these. They had so many Jordan 1 low, mids, and highs this year. This front is like an all suede material, suede type denim. Recommend you treat it. This pair wasn't treated. Recommend that you do treat this front section. The person didn't treat this toe box either. But that's how it goes in the game. Everybody doesn't treat their shoes, but recommend that you did. Like I said, this is one of my favorite wearers. It's all of a little type of, like I said, more suede type of corduroy material. It's like a weird material. It's hard to say. It's like a mix between canvas, denim, and corduroy going through the whole shoe. Get a little gray, black, blue. And it says definitely a multicolored shoe. Jordan's wing logo on the back with more of the same type weird material. You have to fill the shoe and make it up for yourself. But like I said, we all been wearing these shoes. When we pack them up, I said I might as well get them on here. Same on this side. Normal Jordan bottom. This one needs to be cleaned, sent in before it gets packed up. She got an inside, nothing special on the inside, but this is like a little bit different insole. You guys look at the shoe, what it's gonna look like when they're on your feet. Let me know what you think about this shoe. Know what shoes you guys are buying, shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there. The lows are over, but got a feeling Nike and Jordan brand are going to release some more lows before we know it during the winter.
Everybody fucking jump!